Hi guys, we got our beef short ribs here that we're going to season and drizzle with olive oil. Add our herbs and veggies, cover with saran wrap, refrigerate for 1 to 24 hours of your choice. Step 2. Searing. Heat in your skillet, preferably a cast iron skillet, in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Place your skillet on a stove top at medium heat. Drizzle olive oil and add your short ribs. Sear on 2 sides till a crust appears. You can apply pressure to your meat for a deeper sear. After searing both sides, turn the heat on low. Add your herbs and add a half a cup of beef broth. Cover with foil. Place in the oven for 5 to 6 hours on 200 degrees. Check and rotate your meat and broth levels in between time. The water or broth level amount should be no more than 1/3 part portion of the meat. Okay, your meat should be done. You can uncover, set your meat to the side, but remember to save those juices. Red skin mashed potatoes. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Rinse and cut your potatoes. Cook till tender. Drain, then add 1/4 of butter and milk, season to taste. For creamier potatoes, add more milk. For thicker potatoes, add less milk. Then we're going to take our veggies and add them to our dripping pan and bake covered for 10 minutes in the oven on 350 degrees. Now it's time to plate. I will start with the mash first. Then after that, there's no right or wrong way. Get creative and enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.